Hi, I'm Radhakrishna, HOD of JEE Maths at Krakow. This video covers detailed NMTC solutions. Pause each question, attempt the problem, and share your doubts in the comments. If JEE is your next goal, start early. It's an advantage I have seen among top rankers during my 15 years of teaching. That's why we designed Krakow's JEE Foundation course for classes 8, 9, and 10 taught by IITian faculty. Check the link in the description to know more.
So in this question we are asked, in the adjoining figure, the measure of angle x is what? And we have given the figure. So let us first draw this figure. So I have AB. Then ABE is a triangle. Then CD, which is parallel to AB. And then I have this line which is parallel to this one. So these two lines are parallel and these two lines are parallel. And we have given this is 41 degree and this is 85 degree. What we need to find? We need to find the measure of angle x. We need to find this one. Now, how can you find this thing? So let us see here. I have 41 here. I have 85 here. So I can say if I draw a line parallel to CD. Let us say I draw a line parallel to CD. This is line, let us say EF. So I have drawn the line EF which is parallel to CD. And CD is parallel to AB also. So in turn, EF is parallel to AB. Now if you see these two angles, this angle and this angle. So let us say this one and this angle. These two angles will be equal. Why equal? Because this line which is CD is parallel to EF. Also this line, this one, this line and this line which is EB, they are also parallel. So when two lines are parallel, then the angle between them will be equal. So this angle will be equal to this angle. What will be this angle? Now if you see this line and this line, this is a transversal. So it will form what? It will form alternate angle. So this will be 41 degree. This is 41 degree. Now it means this is 41 degree. If this is 41 degree, BEF will also be what? It will be 41 degree. Now focus on these two lines, CD and EF. They are parallel. And focus on these two angles. So whenever these two are there, these are called as internal angles. And internal angles are what? They are supplementary. So this angle x plus this angle, what is this? 5 plus 1 is 6 and this is 126 is equal to what? 180 degree. They are supplementary. So x will be what? 180 minus 126, which is nothing but what? Is nothing but 54 degree. So answer to this question will be 54 degree. It is given in option number D. So this is how you solve. So in this question we are asked the value of x which satisfies 1 upon x plus a plus 1 upon x plus b is equal to 1 upon x plus a plus b plus 1 by x is what? So we need to find the value of x from here. So I have here 1 upon x plus a plus 1 upon x plus b is given as 1 upon x plus a plus b plus 1 upon x. What will I do in this? I will bring this 1 by x on this side and bring this 1 upon x plus b on that side. So it will be 1 upon x plus b minus 1 upon x plus a plus b. So I brought this term on this side is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus a. From here what I can write? I can write x plus a plus b minus x plus b divided by what? Divided by x plus b into x plus a plus b is equal to x plus a minus x upon x into x plus a. Correct? From here what we get? In numerator we will get only a divided by x square plus a plus 2bx plus b into a plus b. Right? This will be the expansion of this multiplication. Here what we will have? We will have a upon x square plus ax. Right? From here I can cancel this a, take the reciprocal and write this thing as x square into a plus 2b plus a b into a plus b is equal to what? Is equal to x square plus ax. Now I can cancel this x square I can cancel. From here what I get? I get ax plus 2bx plus b into a plus b is equal to ax. Ax and ax will get cancelled. From here what I get? I get 2bx plus b into a plus b is equal to 0. From here I can write 2bx is equal to minus of b into a plus b. From here I can cancel this b and write 2x is equal to minus of a plus b. And from here I will get x as minus of a plus b divided by 2. So this is the value of x which will satisfy the equation. It is given in option number D. So option number D is the correct choice here. In this question we are asked, two sides of an isosceles triangle are 23 cm and 17 cm respectively. The perimeter of the triangle is what? So what is an isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is where only two sides are of equal lengths. So we have the two sides which are 23 and 17. So third side will be one among these two. So first triangle that can be formed will have sides 23, 23, 17, or the triangle will be something like this, where these two sides are equal. They are of length 23, 23, and this is 17. Or triangle 2 that can be formed will have sides 17, 17, and 23. So this will be another triangle where these two sides are equal. They are 17, 17, and 23. What will be the perimeter of first triangle? It will be 23 plus 23, which is 46. 46 plus 17 is nothing but 63. So perimeter here is 63. In the second case, what will be the perimeter? 17 plus 23 is 40. 40 plus 17 is nothing but 57. So there are two possibilities of the triangle from the given sides. So the perimeter can be what? It can be either 63 or 57. So option number C is the correct choice, which says the perimeter can be either 63 or 57. In this question we are asked, ABCDE is a pentagon with angle B is equal to 90 degree and E is equal to 150 degree. If C plus D is 180 degree and A plus D is also 180 degree, okay, then external angle D is what? What is external angle D? So let us first draw the diagram. Okay, we have D, we have C, we have B, here we have E. This is 90 degree and this is what? This is given as 150 degree. Now as this is a pentagon, the sum of all sides will be what? Sum of all angles will be what? Sum of all angles of a pentagon will be 540 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E will be what? It will be 540 degree. Now what you can do from here? You know that angle B is a right angled triangle. So A will be what? Angle A, B will be 90 degree. You have given C plus D is 180 degree. So you can write this as 180 degree plus angle E is what? Angle E is 150 degree. So this is 150 degree is equal to 540 degree. From here just add now. This will be angle A plus 90 degree plus 150 degree, which is 240 degree. 240 degree plus 180 degree, it will be 420 degree is equal to 540 degree. From here you get angle A as 540 degree minus 420 degree, which is nothing but what? Is nothing but 120. So angle A is 120 degree. Correct? Now you need to find external angle D. You need to find D's angle. So let us say this is X. So can I say angle D, internal angle D plus X is 180 degree? Correct? But I also know that angle D plus angle A is also 180 degree. So I can say angle A is equal to X degree. And what is X degree? Angle A is 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. Hence the external angle, this X will be what? 120 degree. It is given in option number A. So option number A is the correct choice. Just add all the angles of a pentagon, which will be 540 degree. Put the values of angles, find angle A. Then this external angle plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Because this is a straight line, complete straight line. And also we have given in the question angle D plus angle A is 180 degree. So X is nothing but equal to measure of angle A, which is 120 degree. This is how you solve. In this question we are asked the units digit of the product 3 raised to 2025 into 7 raised to 2024 is what? So if you see the cyclicity of 3, if you see 3 raised to 1 is unit digit is what? It is 3. 3 raised to 2 unit digit is what? It is 9. 3 raised to 3, it is 27. Unit digit is 7. 3 raised to 4, what is it? Unit digit is what? It is 1. Right? Now, can I write 3 raised to 2025 as 3 raised to 2024 into 3? Yes. What is 3 raised to 2024? It is 3 raised to 4 into 506 into 3. What is 3 raised to 4? It is 81 raised to 506 into 3. Correct? Now 81 raised to 506. So the unit digit of this will be always 1. If you multiply 81 so many times or the multiple times, the unit digit will be still 1. So unit digit is 1 here. And we don't know what will this number be. We just care about the unit digit. Into 3. So 3 raised to 2025 will have its unit digit as what? Its unit digit as 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So unit digit of the first one is 3 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 7 raised to 2024. Let us find out for 7 also. 7 raised to 1 is 7. 7 square is 49. So unit digit is 9. 7 cube is 343. So the unit digit is 3. 7 raised to 4 is 2401. So the unit digit is 1. Can I write 7 raised to 2024 as 7 raised to 4 raised to 506. 7 raised to 4 is nothing but 2401 raised to 506. Now, if you keep multiplying 2401 506 times, the unit digit will be still be 1. Why? Because the unit digit of this number is itself 1. So the unit digit here will be what? Be 1. Hence, the unit digit of this number will be what? It will be 1. So the unit digit of product will be unit digit of this multiplied by unit digit of this one. So 3 into 1, which is 3, given in option number C. So separately you can find out the unit digits and solve for the question. In this question we are asked the smallest positive integer n for which this is a perfect cube. So in this one what we need to do? We need to factorize. How do we do this? Let us say m is equal to what? M is equal to 189,000 multiplied by n. Can I write 189,000 as 27 into 7 into 100 multiplied by n. Now 27 is what? 27 is a perfect cube. We want m to be a perfect cube. So all the terms should be what? All the terms should be a perfect cube here. Now to make this 7 a perfect cube, what is the minimum number which I should multiply? I should multiply by 7 square, which is 49. So this is 49 here. To make this 100 a perfect cube, what is the perfect cube of 10? It is 1000. So I should multiply this 100 by what? 10. So the minimum numbers are what? 49 and 10. By which if I multiply, I will get what? 27 into 7 into 100 into what? 49 into 10. So from here I can write 27 into 7 into 49, 343. 10 into 100 is 1000. So this term is also a perfect cube, this term is also a perfect cube, and this term is also a perfect cube. So all the terms are perfect cube. So the product of them will also be what? It will be a perfect cube. So the minimum numbers by which we should multiply this one are 49 into 10. So the value of n, we want a minimum, the smallest positive integer. It will be 49 into 10, which is 490. Hence, option D will be the correct choice. In this question, we are asked two numbers A and B are respectively 20% and 50% more of a third number C. The percentage of A to B is what? So there are two numbers which is A and B. They are 20% and 50% more than the third number. So we don't have given value of C. Let us assume it is 100. A is 20% more than C. So 20% more than 100 means A will be 120. B is what? B is 50% more than C. C is 100. So B will be what? 150. What we need to find? Percentage of A to B. So A by B into 100. That's what we need to find. From here we can write 120 divided by 150 into 100. And this will give you what? This will give you 80%. So the answer to this question will be option number B is 80%. Just assume some value of C, find A and B in the terms of C, and then just take the ratio. This is how you solve this question. In this question we are asked A plus B is equal to 2, 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 18. Then A cube plus B cube lies between what? Now you have given A plus B is equal to 2. Also 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to what? Is given as 18. Can I write this A plus 1 by A plus 1 by B as A plus B upon AB? So this will be equal to 18. What is A plus B? It is 2. 2 upon AB is equal to 18. Or AB is equal to 2 upon 18, which is 1 by 9. So AB will be 1 by 9. Now you need to find A cube plus B cube. All of us know that A plus B whole cube is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the identity which we know. So from here we can write a cube plus b cube is equal to what? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab to a plus b. Correct? What is a plus b? It was given as 2. So 2 cube will be 8 minus 3 into ab is what? ab is 1 by 9. A plus b is what? It is 2. So this will be 8 minus 2 by 3, or this is what? 7.3333 and so on. So this will be the value of a cube plus b cube, and we need to find this value lies between what? So this value lies between 7 and 8, right? So the a cube plus b cube lies between 7 and 8, which is given in option number A. So option number A is the correct choice. In this question we are asked root of 12 plus cube root of x is equal to 7 by 2 and x is equal to p by q, such that p and q are natural numbers with GCD of p and q is 1. Then p plus q is what? Let us write down first. We have 12 plus cube root of x is given as 7 by 2. To simplify this, square on the both sides. So this will become 12 plus cube root of x is equal to 49 by 4. Correct? From here I can write cube root of x is equal to what? 49 by 4 minus 12. From here I can write cube root of x is what? It is 49 minus 12 into 4, which is 48 divided by 4. Or from here I can write cube root of x is what? 1 upon 4. If you cube both the sides, you will get x is equal to 1 by 4 cube, which is 1 upon 64. So this is 1 upon 64. And this is equal to a by b, such that a and b are natural numbers and GCD of a by b is 1. So if you put a is equal to 1, b is equal to 64, then both of them are what? Both of them are natural numbers. And GCD of 1 and 64 is also what? It is 1. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 64. What you need to find? You need to find a plus b. So this is 1 plus 64, which is 65. Hence, answer to this question will be 65. So option A is the correct answer. In this question we are asked the smallest number of 4 digits leaving a remainder of 1 when divided by 2 or 3 or 4 or 6 has what? So we need to find the smallest number which leaves the remainder of 1 when it is divided by 2 or 3 or 4 or 6. So in this type of example, what you should do is that the number will be of the format LCM of the given numbers, which is 2, 3, 4 and 6 multiplied by some integer k plus the remainder which is leaving. The remainder is 1. So from here what you can write? LCM of 2, 3, 4, 6 is what? It is 60. So 60k plus 1 will be the format of a number which leaves a remainder 1 when divided by 2, 3 or 4 or 6. So you can put k is equal to any integer. Let us say if you put k is equal to 0. So n will be equal to 1. So when 1 is divided by 2, remainder is 1. When 1 is divided by 3, it is 1. When 1 is divided by 4, remainder is 1. When 1 is divided by 6, remainder is still 1. If you put k is equal to 1, then the n will be equal to 61. So when 61 is divided by 2, remainder is 2. When 61 is divided by 3, remainder is 1. When 61 is divided by 4, remainder is 1. When 61 is divided by 6, remainder will be still 1. So any number of this form will leave the remainder of 1 when divided by 2 or 3 or 4 or 6. What we want smallest 4-digit number. So how would you find smallest 4-digit number? If you put k is equal to 16, this will be 960 plus 1, which is 961. It is a 3-digit number. So k should be more than 16. It should be 17. If you put k is equal to 17, this will be 60 into 17 plus 1. So this will be what? 1020 plus 1 or 1021. So n is equal to 1021 is what? It is the smallest 4-digit number which leaves the remainder of 1 when divided by 2 or 3 or 4 or 6. If you divide this by 2, remainder will be 1. If you divide this by 3, remainder will be 3. If you divide this number by 4, remainder will be still 1. If you divide this number by 6, the remainder will be 1. So if you divide this by 2 or 3 or 4 or 6, the remainder will be what? 1. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay. Now let us check the option. So this number has 5 as its unit digit. Does it have 5? No, it has 1. So this option is not correct. Only 10 as one of the digits. Yes, it has only 10. So option B is the correct one. Exactly 2 zeros at its digits. No, it has only 10. Doesn't have 20 as its digits. So it is wrong. 7 as its unit digit. Is there a 7 at its unit digit? No, it is 1. This is also wrong. So A, C, D are wrong. Only option B is the correct one. So this is how you find the solution for this question.
Top JEE ranks aren't built overnight, they're built early. With Kraku's JEE Foundation batch, students from classes 8 to 10 can strengthen their maths, physics, and chemistry fundamentals through live classes taught by IITian faculty. Get access to 5,000 plus practice questions and regular biweekly tests to stay ahead. Give yourself the right head start. Join Kraku today. The link is in the description.
In this question, we are asked A is to B equal to 2 is to 3, B is to C equal to 4 is to 5, then A plus C equal to 736. We have to find the value of B. How do you do this? Let us say A is to B is equal to what? Is equal to 2 is to 3. B is to C is equal to what? Is equal to 4 is to 5. Correct? Now, as there is a B common in both of the ratios, so let us try to make this value of B here and the value of B here same. Then we can compare A and C directly. How do you make this value same? Just make it the equal to the LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? It is nothing but what? 12. So to make this 3 12, we have to multiply the whole ratio by what? 4. So A is to B will be what? 8 is to 12. 8 is to 12 is still 2 is to 3. To make B is to C, in there we have 4. To make this 4 as 12, we have to multiply B is to C by 3. If you multiply it by 3, it will be 12 to 15. Correct? So now, as these two values are equal, we can say A is to B is to C is what? 8 is to 12 is to 15. Right? So the ratio of A and C will be what? 8 is to 15. Correct? So from here what do we get? We get A is equal to, let us say, 8K and C is equal to, let us say, 15K. We have given A plus C as what? We have given A plus C as 736. This is 736. A is what? It is 8K plus this is what? This is 15K is equal to 736. This will give you 23K is equal to 736, or K is equal to 736 divided by 23. This is nothing but 62. So this is 32, not 62. This will be 32. So 736 by 23 will be 32. Why? 23 into 3 is 69. It will be 4 here and then this will be 2. So K is equal to 32. What we need to find? We need to find B. As A is 8K, C is 15K, B will be what? B will be 12K. What is the value of K? It is 32. This is 12 into 32. So this will be what? 384. Value of B will be 384, is given in option number. So this is how you solve this question. So in the given figure, angle B is 110 degree, angle C is 80 degree, angle F is 120 degree, ADC is 30 degree, DGF, twice of DGF is equal to DEF, then the measure of angle BHF. So we need to find this angle. Let us first draw the figure. So this is the figure. Now let us denote the angles. Angle B is given as 110 degree. Angle C is given as 80 degree. Angle ADC is given as 30 degree. Then angle F is given as 120 degree. Correct? Then angle twice of angle DGF. So DGF, let us say this is X. Twice of this is DEF. So this will be what? Will be 2x. We need to find this angle BHF. How do you find? Let us first focus on this quadrilateral ABCD. In quadrilateral ABCD, sum of all angles will be what? Sum of all angles will be equal to 360 degree. So I can say angle DAB plus, so this angle plus 110 degree plus this 80 degree plus this 30 degree will be equal to what? Will be equal to 360 degree. From here what do you get? From here you get angle DAB is equal to what? 140 degree. So angle DAB is 140 degree. This is 140 degree. Now if you see, this angle and this angle will be what? Supplementary of each other because they lie on the same straight line. So sum of those two will be 180 degree. If this is 140 degree, this should be what? This should be 40 degree. Now look into this quadrilateral. Can you find this angle? Yes, we can find this angle. How? This line EC and AG are intersecting each other. So this is the pair of opposite angle. Hence, this will also be what? Will be 30 degree. Correct? Now, if you look carefully, what do you have? You have quadrilateral EFGD or DEFG. In this one also, sum of all angles will be 360 degree. So this is 30 degree plus 2x plus 120 plus x. It will be equal to 360 degree. From here I can say 3x plus 150 is equal to 360, or 3x is equal to 360 minus 150, which is what? 210, or x is equal to 210 by 3 is 70 degree. So x is what? X is 70 degree. So this is 70 degree. 70 into 2 what? It will be 140 degree. Now look at this angle. What will it be? This angle and this angle are what? They are supplementary. So if this is 140, this will be what? Will be 40 degree. Right? Now what about this angle? So this angle and this angle are also supplementary. So this will be what? 150 degree. Right? So 40, 150, 40. Remaining angle we can find out by subtracting it from 360. How? Because in this quadrilateral ADEH, sum of all angles will be 360 degree. So I can write 40 degree plus 150 degree plus 40 degree plus angle H is equal to 360 degree, or 40 plus 40 is 80, 80 plus 150 is 230. So angle H will be 360 degree minus 230 degree, which is nothing but 130 degree, right? So this will be what? It will be 130 degree. And what we need to find? We need to find BHF. So BHF, this angle, this is 130 degree. It is given in option number D. So option number D is the correct choice here. In this question we are asked 1 upon B plus C plus 1 upon C plus A is equal to 2 upon A plus B. Then the value of A square plus B square upon C square is what? Let us find out. We have 1 upon B plus C plus 1 upon C plus A is equal to 2 upon A plus B, right? Now how do you find it? So 2 upon A plus B, I can write it as 1 upon A plus B plus 1 upon A plus B, correct? So I will take this 1 upon A plus B on this side. So I will say 1 upon B plus C minus 1 upon A plus B is equal to what? This 1 upon A plus B here, and this 1 upon C plus A I will take to that side. So it will be 1 upon C plus A. What is this? This is A plus B minus B plus C upon B plus C to A plus B. From here what do I get? I get C plus A minus A plus B upon A plus B into C plus A, right? From here what will happen? B and B will get cancelled and I will get A minus C upon, if you see here, A plus B and A plus B is common, so that will also get cancelled. This will be B plus C is equal to what? This will be C plus A into what? Into A, this will be C minus B, correct? From here what do you get? You get A minus C into A plus C, A minus C into A plus C. Here you get C minus B into C plus B. Just cross multiplication. This will be A square minus C square. This will be C square minus B square. This will be what? This will be A square plus B square is equal to 2C square, or A square plus B square upon C square is equal to 2. So this will be the answer here. What are we asked? We are asked A square plus B square upon C square is what? So A square plus B square upon C square is 2. It is given in option number A. So option number A will be the correct choice here. In this question we are asked, if 3 men or 4 women can do a job in 43 days, the number of days the same job is done by 7 men and 5 women is what? So we are given 3 men, so let us say 3M, or 4 women, let us say 4W, can do the job in 43 days. So 3 men into 43 is equal to what? Is equal to 4W into 43, or I can say 3M is equal to 4W, where M and W are the efficiencies of man and woman. So let us say M by W is 4 upon 3. So let us assume for the sake of it that M is what? 4 units per day, and W is what? W is 3 units per day. Now every man does 4 units per day, every woman does 3 units of work per day. And how much is the total work? Total work is either 3M into 43 or 4W into 43. So total work is what? Total work is, this is total work. So total work is what? Let us say 3M into 43. So 3 into 4, 12, into 43 units. This is the total work, correct? Now, the second team is of 7 men and 5 women. So, the combined efficiency is what? 7m plus 5 women. M is what? M is 4. So, 7 into 4, 28. W is what? W is 3. 5 into 3 is 15. This is 43. So, combined they do 43 units per day. And what is the total work? Total work is this. So, time taken will be total work, which is 12 into 43 units, divided by the combined efficiency. Combined efficiency is 43 units. This will give you 12. So, this group will take total of 12 days to complete the work. Hence, option number A is the correct answer. In this question, you are asked the expression 49a plus b whole square minus 46a minus b whole square is factorized into LA plus MB into NA plus PB. Then the numerical value of L plus M plus N plus P is what? So we have given what? We have given 49 into A plus B whole square minus 46 into A minus B whole square, right? Can I write this as 7 into A plus B whole square? I can write this, and this one I can write under root 46 into A minus B whole square, right? So let us assume this value is P. So this is P square minus this value is Q. So inside value is Q. So Q square. What is P square minus Q square? It is P plus Q into P minus Q, correct? So let us find P plus Q first. P plus Q will be what? P plus Q will be 7 into A plus B plus under root 46 into A minus B, correct? So this will be what? 7A plus 7B plus under root 46A minus under root 46B. Or from here I can say, if I combine A, I will get 7 plus under root 46 A plus 7 minus under root 46 B. This is the value of P plus Q. What is P minus Q? It is nothing but 7 into A plus B minus under root 46 into A minus B. So this is what? This is 7A plus 7B minus under root 46A plus under root 46B. From here I can write 7 minus under root 46A plus 7 plus under root 46B. So this is the value of P minus Q. And what is the value of P square minus Q square? It is P plus Q into P minus Q. So this will be what? This will be 7 plus under root 46A plus 7 minus under root 46B into 7 minus under root 46A plus 7 plus under root 46B. Now compare this factorization with the given factorization LA plus MB into NA plus PB. So LA plus MB into NA plus PB. What will be L? L will be 7 plus under root 46. What will be M? M will be 7 minus under root 46. What will be N? N will be 7 minus under root 46. And what will be P? P will be 7 plus under root 46. You are asked to add all this L plus M plus N plus P. So L plus M plus N plus P will be what? it will be 28, 7, 7, 7, 7, which is 28, plus 46, minus 46, minus 46, plus 46. So this will be 28. We have to find the value of L plus M plus N plus P, which is P8. This is how you solve this question by the A square minus B square identity. In this question we are asked the integer part of the solution of the equation is in x. So we have to first find the solution of equation, which is x value, and then we have to find this integer part. So first we are given 1 by 3 into x minus 3 minus 1 by 4 into x minus 8 is equal to 1 by 5 into x minus 5, right? So this is what? This is x minus 3 divided by 3 minus x minus 8 divided by 4 is equal to x minus 5 divided by 5. What you can do? Just split the denominators. If you split the denominators, it will be x by 3 minus p upon 3 minus x by 4 minus 8 upon 4 is equal to x by 5 minus 5 upon 5, right? From here you get x by 3 minus 1 minus x by 4 plus 2 is equal to x by 5 minus 1. This minus 1 will get cancelled, and we will have x by 3 minus x by 4 plus 2 is equal to x upon 5. From here what do you get? You get 4 minus 3 is n, x by 12 plus 2 is equal to x upon 5. Or from here you can say 2 is equal to x by 5 minus x by 12, or 2 is equal to what? 12 minus 5, 7x upon 60, or x is equal to what? 60 into 2 is 120 divided by 7. This is what? This is nothing but 17.14 something something something. So we don't need that part. What we need? We just need the integer part, and integer part is what? 17. So x is equal to 17 point something something. We don't care about what is after the decimal. We just need the integer part. So it is 17. Hence, answer to this question is 10. This is how you can solve this question. In this question we are asked, in the adjoining figure, ABC is a triangle in which BAC is equal to 100 degree, ACB equal to 30 degree, an equilateral triangle, a square and a regular hexagon are drawn as shown in the figure. The measure in degree of x plus y plus z is what? Let us first draw the figure. So I have this triangle here, then I have a square here, this square, then here it is an equilateral triangle, and here we have a regular hexagon. Right? And this is A, this is B, C, and I have this as Y, this as X, and this as Z. This is C, this is B. What it is given? It is given BAC is 100 degree. So this is 100 degree. Then I have given ACB is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Can I find the ABC? I can find. How? The sum of all angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. So 100 degree plus 30 degree plus, let us say, x degree. So 100, not x, because x is already there. let us say this is some p degree. Okay, so p plus 100 plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. From here you get p is equal to 50 degree. So this will be what? This will be 50 degree. 50 degree. Now this is a square. So what will be this angle? In a square, every angle is a 90 degree. So this angle will be what? This angle will be a 90 degree angle. This is what? This is a equilateral triangle. So this will be 60 degree. This will be 60 degree. And this will be what? This will be 60 degree. Correct? Here every angle will be what? 90 degree. 90 degree. And this is also 90 degree. And here for every angle of a hexagon it will be 120 degree. Here also it will be 120 degree. Now look at the every juncture. So at this juncture what is happening is that a complete circle is there. So it will be 360 degree, right? For a complete angle it will be 360 degree. So 120, 50, 60 plus y. Let us find out first y. So 120 plus 50 plus 60 plus y is equal to 360 degree. From here what you can find? Y is equal to 50 plus 60 is 120 plus 50 is 170, 170 plus 60 is 230 degree, which is equal to what? 360 degree. From here you can get y as 130 degree. So y is 130 degree. Let us find out for this juncture. So it is what? It is 120 plus 100 plus 90 plus x is 360 degree. From here what do you get? You get x is equal to 90 plus 120 is 210, 210 plus 100 is 310. So this is 360 minus 310. So this is nothing but what? 50 degree. So x is what? 50 degree. Let us find out for this juncture this one. So I have 30 plus 60 plus 90 and z. So 30 plus 60 plus 90 plus z is equal to what? 360 degree. From here this is 180. So z will be what? 360 minus 180, which is 180 degree. Correct? We need to find x plus y plus z. This is 50, y is 130, z is 180. This will give you nothing but 360 degree. So answer to this question will be 360 degree. So this is how you can solve the question. In this question we are asked the mean of 5 numbers is 105. The first number is 2 by 5 times the sum of other 4 numbers. The first number is what? So let us say we have numbers A, B, C, D, E and F. The mean of all this number, the average of all this number is given as 105. So I can say A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F divided by what? Plus E only. So divided by 5 is equal to 105, right? So A plus B plus C plus D plus E is what? 105 into 5. Correct? Now it is given the first number, which is A. A is equal to what? It is 2 by 5 times B plus C plus D plus E. 2 by 5 times sum of other 4 numbers. So can I write 5A by 2 is equal to B plus C plus D plus E? Yes, I can write that. Now Instead of b plus c plus d plus c, I will put 5a by 2. From here, what do I get? I get a plus 5a by 2 is equal to 105 into 5. From here, what do I get? I get 7a by 2 is equal to 105 into 5. From here, I get a is equal to 7 1s are 7, 7 15s are 105. 15 into 5 is 75 multiplied by denominator 2. So a will be equal to 150. So a is the first number and we have to find the value of first number. It will be 150. So this is how you can solve the question. In this question we are asked PQRS is a square. The sides PQ and RS are increased by 30% each and the sides QR and PS are increased by 20% each. The area of quadrilateral thus obtained exceeds the area of square by what? So first we had P, Q, R and S. Initially this was a square. We haven't given the measure of the side. So we can assume any value as just percentages are given. Let us say PQ is 10, QR is 10, this is 10 and this is 10. So what is the area of this square? It is nothing but, let us say area initial, so I is 10 square which is 100. So 100 is the initial area. Now what happened? PQ and RS are increased by 30%. What is 30% of 10? It is 3 and it is increased. So we will add it 10 plus 3. So PQ will be what? PQ will be 13. Similarly, SR will be what? SR will also be 13. Then what? Then we are given QR and PS. So QR and PS are increased by 20% each. So 20% of 10 is 2 and it is increased. So 10 plus 2, 12. So PS will become what? 12. QR will become what? 12. And as this is will be a rectangle. Correct? So this is new quadrilateral. So what is the area of quadrilateral or what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So final area which is AF will be 12 into 13 which is 156. What we need to find? We need to find the percentage increase in the area. So initial area is 100, final area is 156. The percentage increase will be final value minus initial value divided by initial value multiplied by 100. From here you get 56 divided by 100 into 100. So this will be nothing but 56%. So the answer to this question will be what? 56 as percentage is already given. So answer to this question is 56. In this question we are asked x square plus 2 plus root 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus 1 by x square is given as a plus b root c. Then a plus b plus c is what? Let us go and try to find this out. So I have x square plus 2 plus root 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. How do you proceed further? You have x square plus 1 by x square. So I will try to get this expression in the form of x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x. Plus 1 by x I can't get because there is a minus. So I can get x minus 1 by x. So let us divide the whole equation by x. So from here I get x plus 2 plus root 3 minus 1 by x equal to 0. X square divided by x is x. 2 plus root 3x divided by x is 2 plus root 3. Minus 1 divided by x is minus 1 by x. So from here I can say x minus 1 by x plus 2 plus root 3 is what? Is 0. Or x minus 1 by x is equal to minus of 2 plus root 3. Now to get x square plus 1 by x square, I will square both the sides. So let us square both the sides. What it will be? It will be x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is equal to, it will be 2 square which is 4, root 3 square which is 3 plus 2 into root 3, right? So this is x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2 into 2, 4 root 3, or I can say x square plus 1 by x square is what? 2, I will take that side, so 9 plus 4 root 3, and this is equal to what? This is equal to a plus b root 3, correct? So what is a here? A here is 9. What is b here? B here is 4. What is c here? C here is 3. What you need to find? You need to find a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c will be 9 plus 4 plus 3, which is, answer to this question will be.
Preparing for Olympiads today, you're already building the skills needed for JEE tomorrow. Take that preparations further with Krakow's JEE Foundation batch for classes 8 to 10. Learn maths, physics and chemistry from IIT and faculty through live classes, practice with 5,000 plus questions, and track your progress through regular bi-weekly tests. Turn your Olympiad preparation into a strong JEE foundation. Join Krakow today and the link is in the description.
In this question we are asked, in the given figure we need ABCD is a rectangle and we need to find the measure of angle x. So let us first find out the diagram. We will draw the diagram first. This is T. Then these are two lines. This is given as 160 degree. Then this is given as 28 degree. This is A, B, C, D. This one is x. We need to find this x. Let us say how. Let us find out how can we do it. So this is 162 degree. So if you see this straight line, this angle plus this angle will be what? 180 degree, supplementary angle on the same straight line. So if this is 162, this should be 18 degree, correct? Now what about this angle, this complete angle? So this is a straight line. This is a straight line. This one is 28 degree. So this will be what? 180 minus 28 degree, which is 152 degree, correct? This is 90 degree. So let us draw this first, right? So this is point D. This is 90 degree. This is this angle which is 152 degree. This is 18 degree. So this figure is a quadrilateral. So what will be this angle? Is 152 plus 18, which is 170. 170 plus 90 is what? 260. So this angle will be 100 degree, right? 152 plus 18 is 170. 170 plus 90 is 260, and this will be 360 minus 100. So what will be the angle x? This angle is what? This angle is 100. This is 100. And this is what? This is x degree. So can you see these two lines are intersecting? Correct? So these two lines are intersecting and opposite angles are forming. So if this is 100, this will also be 100 degree. How did it come 100? We knew this is 152, this is 90 degree, and this is 18 degree. Sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So from that we got the fourth angle as 100. and these two lines are intersecting, and this is x. So these two are opposite angles, hence it will also be 100. So the answer to this question will be 100 degrees. It is given the sum of all positive integers m comma n which satisfy m square plus 2mn plus n is equal to 44 is what? So it is given that m square plus 2mn plus n is equal to what? Is equal to 44. Now from here I can write 2mn plus n is equal to 44 minus m square. From here I can take n common, and this will be 2m plus 1 is equal to 44 minus m square, or n is equal to what? 44 minus m square upon 2m plus 1. Now if you see, m and n both are what? Both are positive integers. So m and n both should be positive integers. So 2m plus 1 will be what? If m is positive integer, 2m plus 1 is positive, n is positive. So 44 minus m square will also should be positive. So 44 minus m square is what? Is greater than 0, or m square is less than 44. So if m square is less than 44 and m is a positive integer, m can be what? It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. If you take m is equal to 7, it will be 44 minus 49, which will be a negative value, and hence n won't be a positive integer. Now we need to check for these values. These are the possible values of m. Let us say m is equal to 1. If you put m is equal to 1, what do you get? You get 44 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which is 43 divided by 3. Is 43 divided by 3 an integer? No, it is not a positive integer. We want n as a positive integer. So m is equal to 1 is not a correct value. Let us put m is equal to 2. So 44 minus 2 square, which is 4. Here it will be 2 into 2 plus 1, which is 5. This is 44 minus 4 is 40 divided by 5 is 8. Is 8 a positive integer? Yes. So m is equal to 2 is a correct value, and for this n is equal to 8. Right? Let us try for m is equal to 3. So 44 minus 3 square, which is 9, upon 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 44 minus 9 will be what? 35. 35 by 7. So this will give you 5. Is 5 a positive integer? Yes, 5 is a positive integer. So this is also correct value. So this can be 5 here. Now let us try for 4. So this will be what? This will be 44 minus 4 square, which is 16. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 44 minus 16 is 28 divided by 9. 28 divided by 9 is not a positive integer. So this is not a correct one. Let us try for 5. So 44 minus 5 square. 44 minus 25 divided by 2 into 5, 10 plus 11. This will be what? This will be 19 by 11. Is 19 by 11 a positive integer? No. This is not a correct value. Then what do we have? We have 6. 44 minus 36 divided by 6 into 2, 12 plus 1, 13. This will be 8 by 13. Is 8 by 13 a positive integer? No. So this is also not a correct value. So only two values of m are there, which are 2, 3, and corresponding values of n are 8, 5. We need to find sum of all these values. So 2 plus 3 will be what? It will be 5. 8 plus 5 will be 13, and sum of these two will be 18. So answer to this question will be 18. This is how you solve the question. In this question we are asked A is equal to 2025, B is equal to 2024. The numerical value of the given expression. Let us find out. We have numerator as A plus B minus 4AB upon what? Upon A plus B. Right? This I can write what? A plus B whole square minus 4AB upon A plus B. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 4AB upon A plus B whole square. From here I can write what? A square plus B square minus 2AB upon, sorry, this is not whole square here, upon A plus B. Correct? So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but A minus B whole square upon A plus B. So the first part of the division is A minus B whole square upon A plus B. So this is what? A minus B whole square upon A plus B. Let us solve the second one. It is what? It is A upon A plus B minus B upon B minus A plus 2AB upon B square minus A square. From here what I can write? I can write A into B minus A minus B into A plus B upon A plus B into B minus A plus 2AB upon B square minus A square. From here what I can write? I can write AB minus A square minus AB minus B square upon A plus B into B minus A. This is nothing but B square minus A square plus 2AB upon B square minus A square. Right? This is what? This is nothing but minus A square minus B square. AB will get cancelled plus 2AB upon B square minus A square. Right? From here what I can write? This is minus of A square plus B square minus 2AB upon B square minus A square. This is what? If I multiply by minus sign on numerator and denominator, I will get A minus B whole square upon A square minus B square. What did I do? If I multiplied numerator and denominator by minus minus, so this will get cancelled and here it will be minus. This is what? It is A minus B whole square and denominator is A square minus B square. Right? So this one is A minus B whole square and denominator is A square minus B square, and we need division of these two. So we need the division of these two. So I have A minus B whole square upon A plus B divided by what? Divided by A minus B whole square upon A square minus B square. So A minus B whole square will get cancelled and this will be A square minus B square upon A plus B. A square minus B square is what? It is A plus B into A minus B upon A plus B. So A plus B will get cancelled and this will be A minus B. What is A? A is 2025. What is B? B is 2024 is equal to 1. So the answer to this question will be 1. So 1 is the correct answer here. In this question we are asked, in the sequence 0, 7, 26, 63, 124, find the sixth term. So I have 0, 7, 26, 63, 124, and I need to find the sixth term. So if you focus here, this is nothing but what? Is 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube minus 1 is 0. This is what? This is 2 cube minus 2. 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube minus 1 is what? 8 minus 1, 7. This is what? 3 cube minus 1. 3 cube minus 1 is what? 27 minus 1, 26. This is what? 4 cube minus 1. 4 cube is 64. 64 minus 1 is 63. This is what? 5 cube minus 1. 5 cube is 125. 125 minus 1 is 124. So sixth term will be 6 cube minus 1, which is 216 minus 1 is 215. You need to just observe the pattern in this series and find out the answer. So answer to this question will be 215. In this question we are given A and we have given B. We need to find A minus B is what? So let us first write down A. A is what? A is under root of 281 plus under root of 53 plus under root of 112 plus under root of 81. Now, how do you solve it? Solve from the innermost square root. What is under root of 81? It is 9. So I can write 9 here. What is 112 plus 9? It is 121. What is square root of 121? It is 11. So I can write this as 11. What is 53 plus 11? It is 64. This is 64. What is the square root of 64? It is 8. What is 281 plus 8? It is 289. And what is the square root of 289? It is 17. So A is equal to what? A is equal to 17. Let us write down for B. B is given as under root 92 plus under root 55 plus under root 75 plus under root 36. Let us try to solve from the innermost root. So under root 36 is what? Is 6. 75 plus 6 is nothing but 81. What is square root of 81? Square root of 81 is 9. So 9 plus 55 will be 64. What is square root of 64? It is 8. So this will be plus 8. 92 plus 8 is what? 100. What is square root of 100? Square root of 100 is 10. So B will be equal to 10. What do I need to find? I need to find A minus B. A minus B is what? 17 minus 10, which is 7. So answer to this question will be 7. In this question we are asked the average of the numbers A, B, C, D is B plus 4. The average of pairs A, B, B, C and C, A are 16, 26 and 25. Then the average of D and 67 is what? Let us first write down. I have A, B, C and D. Average is given as B plus 4. So A plus B plus B plus C plus D divided by 4 is equal to what? Is equal to B plus 4, or A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 4 into B plus 4. Right? This we can derive. Now what more is given? The average of pairs A, B, B, C and C, A are 16, 26, 25. So A, B. So A plus B divided by 2 is given as what? Is given as 16. From here I can say A plus B is 16 into 2, 32. I have given what? B, C. So B plus C divided by 2, it is given as what? It is given as 26. This is 26. So from here B plus C will be 26 into 2, 52. What is A plus C? A plus C divided by 2 is given as what? It is given as 25. So from here I can write A plus C is 25. Now what to do? Now add all these three equations. So A is what? A is 2 times. So 2 times A plus B is 2 times. 2 times B plus C is 2 times. 2 times C is equal to what? 32 plus 52 plus 20. Sorry, this is 50, right? This is 50. So this will be 4 here and this will be 134. From here, A plus B plus C will be what? 134 divided by 2, which is nothing but 67, right? So A plus B plus C is 67. Now, if A plus B plus C is 67, what is the value of B? You know A plus C is 50. So if A plus C is 50, I can say 50 plus B is what? Is 67. Or B is equal to 67 minus 50 is 17. So I got B is equal to 17. Now A plus B plus C is what? It is 67. So in this question, I can put A plus B plus C as 67. B I got 17. So 17 plus 4 is what? 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 multiplied by 4. This is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 multiplied by 4 is 84. Correct? What I need to find? I need to find the average of D and 67. What I need to find? 67 plus D divided by 2. What is 67 plus D? It is 84. So 84 divided by 2, which is what? Is 42. Answer to this question will be 42. This is how you can solve the question. In this question, we are asked ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 10 cm. Two semicircles are drawn as in the figure. The area of shaded portion is k pi, where k is a positive integer. The value of k is what? So let us draw first. I have this sector. Then this is 5. This is 5. And this will also be 5. Why? Because whole is 10. This is a sector. So this complete is 10. Right? Now, this is a semicircle and this is a quarter. Okay? I need to find the area of shaded region. Now, can I say for this semicircle and this semicircle, the area will be same? Why can I say? Because the diameter of both the semicircle is same. And if diameter is same, the radius of both the semicircles will be same. The area of these two semicircles will be same. Let us say area here is A. So here also area will be what? Will be A. Right? Now how do you find the area of shaded region? So first let us find this area, this shaded region. What it will be? It will be area of quarter minus this area, this blank area. It will be what? It will be A. So you got the area of this shaded region, this one. What you need to add? You need to add this shaded region also. And what is the area of this shaded region? It is A. It is plus A. From here, minus A plus A will get cancelled and area of shaded region will be equal to area of quarter. And what is the area of quarter? It is 1 by 4 into pi into r square. R is the radius of quarter, which is 10 square. This is 100 and this will be 25 pi. Correct? So the area is given as k pi, which is 25 pi. So k is what? K is 25. So answer to this question will be 25. This is how you can solve this question. You don't even need to find the separate area for these two semicircles. Anyway, they will get cancelled. In this question, we are asked ABC and PQR are two triangles such that ABC equal to 5:6:7 and PRQ equal to angle B. PS makes an angle P by 3 with PQ and RS makes an angle SRT by 5 with RQ. Then the measure of angle S is what? Let us first draw the figure. I have this A, B and C. Then I have this PQ. Then this is 90 degree. And this is what? This is PR. Then I have the C. Then again I have one more. As S. This is S. What I have given? For the triangle ABC, the angles are in the ratio. Angle A is to angle B is to angle C is given as 5:6:7. So can I say angle A is, let us say, 5K, angle B is 6K and angle C is 7K. So sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 5K plus 6K plus 7K will be 180 degree, or 18K will be equal to 180 degree. From here K is what? 180 by 18 is 10 degree. Hence angle A will be 5K, which is 50 degree. It will be 60 degree and this will be 70 degree. Right? So let us write now. So angle B is what? It is 60 degree. Angle C is what? 70 degree. Angle A is 50 degree. Then PRQ is equal to angle B. So PRQ is equal to angle B. So this angle is what? 60 degree. Then PS. So this is PS makes an angle P by 3 with PQ. So angle P is this complete angle. So let us say angle P is 3x. So PS, this is PS and PQ will have angle P by 3. P by 3 means this will be x. So this small angle will be what? This small angle will be x. And RS makes an angle SRT by 5 with RQ. So I have SRT. Let us say SRT is 5y. Then RS will make an angle with RQ which is divided by 5. So RS is this one, RQ is this one. So this angle will be 5y by 5. This will be y. Now can you find the value of y? Yes, you can find the value of y. How can you find? 60 plus y plus 5y will be what? 180 degree, because this complete angle is 180 degree. So I can say 60 plus y plus 5y is equal to 180 degree, or 6y is equal to 180 minus 60 is 120 degree, or y is equal to 120 degree divided by 6 is 20 degree. So y will be what? This will be 20 degree. This is 20 degree. This will be 100 degree. What we need to find? We need to find measure of angle S. Now, if you look into this triangle PQR, in triangle PQR, triangle PQR. We have angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Angle R is equal to what? In triangle PQR, angle R is 60 degree. So what will be angle P? Angle P is what? Remaining angle, which will be 30 degree. So 30 plus 60 plus 90 will be 180. Hence angle P will be what? 30 degree. And this was equal to what? This was equal to 3x. So what will be the small angle x? If 3x is 30, x will be equal to what? X will be equal to 10 degree. Right? So this is what? This is 10 degree. This complete is 30 degree. So this will be 20 degree. Now we need to find this angle. So focus on P, S, R. Focus on triangle PSR. So I have triangle P, S and R. This is P, S, R. What is this PS and PR? Angle between PS and PR is 20 degree. This is 20 degree. Then angle between PR and RS is what? This is 60. This is 20. So total 80. So this will be 80 degree. We need to find the remaining angle. How do we find? Simple. Addition of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is 80 plus 20, 100. 100 plus what is 180? 100 plus 80 is 180. So answer to this question will be 80 degree. So 80 degree is the measure of angle L. This is how you can solve the question. Let us look at this question. In the 2-digit positive integer, the unit digit is 1 less than the tens digit. The product of 1 less than the unit digit and 1 more than the tens digit is 10, is 40. The number of such 2-digit integers is what? So you have a 2-digit integer. Its unit digit is what? 1 less than the tens digits. Let us say tens digit is a. So this will be a minus 1. Now product of two things. What are those two things? 1 less than the unit digits. Unit digit is a minus 1. So 1 less than unit digit will be a minus 2 multiplied by 1 more than the tens digit. 1 more than the tens digit will be a plus 1. This is given as what? This is given as 40. Now you need to find how many such numbers are there. A minus 1. So if you put a is equal to 1, this will be negative. So a cannot be 1. If you put a is equal to 2, this will be 3 into 0, which is 0 not equal to 40. If you put a is equal to 3, what it will be? It will be 4 into 3 minus 2 is 1, which is 4, not equal to 40. So a is not equal to 3 as well. If you put a is equal to 4, 4 plus 1 will be 5, 4 minus 2 will be 2, it will be 10, which is not equal to 40. So a cannot be 4 also. What if a is equal to 5? So a plus 1 will be 6, 5 minus 2 will be 3. This is 18. So this is also not satisfying. What if a is equal to 6? This will be 6 plus 1, 7. 6 minus 2, 4, which is 28. This is also not satisfying. What if a is equal to 7? 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 minus 2 is 5, which is actually equal to 40. So a is equal to 7 is satisfying. Okay. What if a is equal to 8? A is equal to 8 means 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 minus 2 will be 6. This will be 54, not equal to 40. So a equal to 8 is also not satisfying. At last a is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 9 minus 2 is 8. This will be, 9 minus 2 will be 7. This will be 70. Is 70 equal to 40? No. So a is equal to 9 is also not satisfying. Why are we not taking a is equal to 10? Because a is a digit, right? It can be from 1 to 9 only. So we took from 1 to 9. And among that, only this is satisfying. So this will be 7. A minus 1 is 6. So this is the number which satisfies the given condition. unit digit is 1 less than the tens digit. Also 1 less than the unit digit, so 6 minus 1 5, 1 more than the tens digit which is 8, the product is 40. So there is only one number, one such 2-digit number which satisfies the given condition. So the number of such 2-digit integers is 1. There is only one such number. This is how you solve the question.
Top JEE ranks aren't built overnight, they're built early. With Kaku's JEE Foundation batch, students from classes 8 to 10 can strengthen their maths, physics, and chemistry fundamentals through live classes taught by IITian faculty. Get access to 5,000 plus practice questions and regular bi-weekly tests to stay ahead. Give yourself the right head start. Join Kraku today. The link is in the description.